Hi guys, this is Kriti Banaga, your legal reasoning educator. Now there has been a recent change in the seat matrix of NLU Odisha. Notification has come on the official CLAT consortium website. So let's discuss the same. If you are someone who will be affected by the same, we must know and make our changes. Alright, this is the notification that has come up. It says that the seat change is for both UG as well as PG program, undergraduate program and postgraduate program. So three changes have been made in the matrix. Now what is the change? Firstly, a specific category has been included, which is Odisha state category socially and educationally backward classes. So students belonging to socially and educationally backward classes within Odisha state category would get a certain percentage of seats in the seat matrix of BLLB and BBLLB program of NLU Odisha. Second is PWD specifically of Odisha category has been removed. So if you're from Odisha and was claiming PWD, then that category has been removed. And third, another category has been added, which is ex-servicemen quota. So this category has also been added. How it has impacted the seat structure, let's understand that. So if we talk about BALLB honors, then there are 120 seats in this program in NLU Odisha. And if we talk about BBLLB honors, there are 60 seats. Now talking about category wise intake, so what are the changes? PWD category of Odisha has been removed, so no seat for that category of students. Socially and educationally backward classes, Odisha state category has been introduced, meaning 14 states will be reserved for such category of students in BALLB program, and 7 seats will be included in BBALLB programs alag se than the other seats. Apart from that, 1% seat will be reserved for the ex-servicemen candidates horizontally. So these are the three seats, these are the three changes, and that have impacted the seat structure of NLU Odisha. Now, if you are someone who belongs to Odisha, how do you know you have Odisha domicile? So if you have passed your 12th or equivalent examination from the state of Odisha and secured at least 60% marks, then the candidate shall be submitting the domicile certificate issued by the state authority. Now what do you have to do if you fit into this category of students? Then what do you have to do? You have to go to your CLAT account, log in into your CLAT account, click on the edit application button, go to the reservation tab, and under NLU Odisha Cuttack, if there'll be a question which says, are you a domicile of Odisha? If you are eligible, click yes, then select the reservation category you are you wish to claim, you belong to that category and you wish to claim the same. You click on that and then submit the changes. Click on the submit button for the same. If you still have any questions, comment below, or you can also send an email to clat@consortiumofnlus.ac.in, or you can reach out on their help desk number, which is available between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. on all working days. So this is the change that has been brought about in NLU Odisha seat matrix. In case you have any doubt, please comment below. I hope to see you in the classes. Also, I hope to see you in the All India CLAT mock, which is to be conducted on 29th October between 2 to 4 p.m. based on the previous year trends of the CLAT examination. Hope to see you there, guys. Thank you so much. In case of any doubt, feel free to comment. Take care. Have a great day.